Hi everyone, welcome back to Flashfield Academy. Today, let's create a custom QR code in Python. The first thing we need to do is to install our Python library. I'm going to say pip install QR code square brackets PIA closing square brackets. So open square brackets and closing square brackets. Then enter. Now I'm going to get system requirements satisfied because I have it installed previously, but I need to show you how to install it. Now you need to move to the code. So the next thing now is to import QR code. Say import QR code and then create a QR code object. Then we add our link with add data method, then call make method to generate it. Then we'll finally style it with make image method. Now to show you everything I've just said in code, the first thing is to create our objects, QR code objects. So I'll say QR equals to QR code that's QR code after QR code, and say version equals to 1. You say error correction equals to QR code those constants that error underscore correct underscore L and comma. The next thing we're going to do now is to say box size equals to 10. Then we say border equals to 4. And that's it. We've created our objects. Now the next thing now is to create our data and say data equals to, we use the input method so it gets feedback or user inputs. We say enter your link. So creates a custom QR code. And then use the add data method. So say QR dot add data. So add data, then we say QR let's make, generate it, QR let's make, then text fits equals to true, and then finally say ing equals to QR let's make underscore image. Now for my fill color, I'm going to say equals to, this on the traditional black and white, I will say blue. And for my back color, I'll say red. So then I'll say ing then save. Flourish custom tier but KNG. And that's it. Now the next one to do next to execute our file. And before I can do that, I want you to always confirm that you're in the right directory. QR code generator here, QR code generator. Next thing now to do now is to call Python qr.py. And here let's say http google.com. I think I did that wrong. This. Now I can say enter. Then I should see my QR code generated. Now you can see my QR code has been generated with a red background and blue color. Now, if you scan this code while seeing this video, it should take you to google.com. And that is it. You've just built a QR code generator in Python. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick coding tips from Flourish Field Academy.